Jai Bharat everyone. My name is Prasanna. I'm studying in 7th ACC. Now I'm going to tell about life. Can anybody know what is life? Life is a journey. Yes. Life is a journey between B and D. B is a birth, D is a death. Between these two letters, the C is there. Don't forget whatever C. C is your choice. I'm repeating once again, C is your choice. What is C?
Our choice.
Choice. Yes. Choice. Your choice depends on your thoughts, your ideas and your abilities. Sometimes you get hurt, sometimes you did not get hurt. Sometimes you get sometimes you get feel happy, sometimes you get not feel happy. Why? That's depend on your choice. You get many opportunities in your life. Sometimes you gain it, sometimes you lost it. Why? That's depend on your choice. Every opportunity is a God gift to you. Please use every opportunity. Thank you.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय